the edge of it. Go back into first gear, and just like we were talking about going into that bump back there, let the front end come down, bring it back and settle, then go ahead and put it in drive, and gradually you squeeze the pedal. And what we're looking for is to push a wave in front of us 6 or 8 inches. So you'll feel it as we go along. You get a little more resistance, and you squeeze the pedal just a little more, but not fast, just enough to keep the momentum steady. And we'll get to the other end all the way up out of the water. We'll stop and let that water come back, because we don't want to drag it with us. We're getting ready to go down the hill on the other side. Actually, you know, when you go down, it's going to grab your wheels, so keep it steered straight for the other side. Now ease it up in the third. Just good and steady. Both hands on the wheel.
Oh my God.
There you go. See water coming on you?
No, it's still in the floorboard.
Well, that melt really done good here last night, didn't it? A little more acceleration, you got quite a drag. We're getting ready to sink. And easy, steady. There you go. Good job. Good. Let's just stop here a second. Let that run back.
That's awesome.
Yeah, you carried a good wave there. That was good, man. Good job. Okay, we're good. We're going right there where there's no air. I mean, no road, nothing but air. So stop there again. Before we make our approach, we're going back into first gear, and just ease right up about a car length. Just squeeze the brakes so tight that they actually squeak. Just like that. Okay, that's good because you can see the bottom here. There you go. Now, the way this bank's going to act to you, as soon as about a car length over that point,